Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a step-by-step guide to upgrade R on Windows. So let's begin. First let's check the latest R version. The latest and the last R version of my system it is in 4.1. Okay, so let's open the RGUI. First I have to write this. I have to install the package installer and enter. Asking for the nearest star mirror. I am from India. Checking there is there or not. India is not there. I'm choosing Indonesia. Okay, it's done. Now you have to write update R and put enter. Oh, sorry, I have to call that last install function that installer. Very installer install now. Updater. See, showing there is a new version R for you to download. The R version that I am using 4.1.3 and the latest version is 4.2. Let's okay. Do you wish to see the news regarding the new version of the R? If you choose R, yes, then it will redirect to your browser and show the latest all the release details. And here for the video purpose, I choose it no. Now it's asking for do you wish to install a latest version of R? Yes, of course. It started downloading. Allowing. Select the language. I select English. You have some other language options also from the drop down. So I click English. Next, the path where I am going to install it. It is in C program files under R folder. Yeah, user installation. This is all fine. So now it's asked for the default options, or you going for the customized option. So I choose no and accept defaults. Let's choose next. Okay. Do you want to create a desktop shortcut? No, I don't want. If you wish, you can take it on. So I take it off. Yes, I do want to these two to be ticked on. Complete the R for Windows 4.2 setup wizard. Next, finish. Now, extra more some steps. Do you wish to copy your packages from the older version to of R to the newer version of R? Yes, I would like. So it's asking once your package are copied to the new R, do you wish to keep the packages from the library in the old R installer? If you choose no, you will erase your package in the old R version. I choose no because It's not necessary to keep in the older version anymore, so I choose no. And going forward, do you wish to copy your R profile.site and R environment.site from the older version R to the newer version of R? Yes, of course. Do you wish to upgrade your packages in the newly installed R? Yes. So all the already installed package will auto update it. Don't worry, it will take some time. Still it get updated. You can browse or do some other work. It is taking a bit time. Because I have so many libraries already installed, and it's taking time to upgrade or update all that existing libraries. So if get updated, you can open the browser. Starting a new YouTube channel. So if you wish, you can go and like watch my videos and like it. And if you have any comment or any suggestions, you can also write to me directly. The last video that I performed on in R, sorry, it is in Excel. It is in Excel. I'm performing two sample set test, a step by step guide. So you can watch my latest video over here, and more videos I'm planning to make online or public in coming days also. Let's see what the status over here. Still updating. Okay, yeah, update done. Yeah, all done. Now it's saying, do you wish to start the new RGUI of your new R installation? Yes, I would like. Let's open that new pack, new RGUI. Let's check that. Yeah, it is over here. Do you wish to quit R, the old one? Yes. I close the old one and unpin from here and pin it. See, the new version is R 4.2, right? And I going to pin to my taskbar. It is my personal choice. If you wish, you can do it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please spread it, like, subscribe it, click the like button, and if you have any comment, just write to me directly in the comment box. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you and bye bye.